Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn how to handle the large files in chunks to avoid memory overload in Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the file name. So let's handle the large files efficiently in the Python. So let's go to the code and let's comment all this code. Okay, let's go there and open the large file. This is our large file. This is large file.txt, which I have created. This is the file path. Reading the file in the chunks. So this is we're going to read the files 1 KB at a time. Okay, so the file is large. It's like 32.0 KB. Okay, so read the 1 KB at a time. Okay, write large data in the chunks. So I'm going to, it's the large data like thousand, you can say large amount of data 1,000 times. With open the large output dot txt with the right mode and as a file, and here we are adding the loop. Okay, so for in loop range from starting from 0 length whatever the data, and this is our bytes 1024. So like you can say 1 KB will be right at a time. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be right over there. Let's try to save this and let's see what will happen to run this and how efficient the code is. Enter, and this is done. With enter and everything is done. Okay, let's see, because it reads the file large amount of file, like see, the file has been read. Okay, and the data is right. Let's have a look. That is large output.txt, and you can see that the data is written in chunks, and how much the file it is to be. Let's have a look. That is large output, that is 30 22 KBs. Okay, so this is how you are able to handle large files in chunks to avoid the memory load. So the question here it is how it is. So basically what we have added, reading the files in the chunks. So chunk file.read. So here you can see that chunk we are using while chunk. Okay, and file read every time we are reading the 1 KB of data, and then print accordingly. So according to that, then it will help to read file in the chunks, so not making the too much load into the memory. Okay, then writing the data in again chunks, we are going to this is a large amount of data, you can see that, right? And again here we are writing the data into the chunks model, that is 1 KB per time. Okay, so here you can see that there is a gap also, like this we are writing, then after that this code we are writing. Okay, then this we are writing, the chunks we are adding into the data. Okay, so this is how you can handle. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.